What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs as Abs Project, and today we're going to show you how to remove a bumper on this Nissan Qashqai J10. Okay, to remove the bumper, you've got two clips over here. You've got 10mm bolt underneath here, 10mm bolt just over there, 10mm bolt over here, two clips and a 10mm bolt underneath there. As you can see, we've already removed the trim. Once you've done that, you just remove the clips away from the bumper. And then a 10mm bolt underneath there. And there's a lot of treasure coming out from there, boy. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, like that. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, and you got another clip, so got to be another one on that side as well. So let's remove that clip first. Oh yes, and you have another 10mm bolt underneath here. Okay, so just to go over it one more time, you got 10mm bolt underneath here, you got two clips over here, 10mm bolt underneath here, 10mm bolt in here, 10mm bolt over here, 10mm bolt underneath here, 10mm bolt underneath here, and two clips. Once they're removed, the bumper is ready to slide out. On this side needs to be removed, which is literally underneath the bumper, hooked onto this metal bracket over here. There you go, and there you go. That's how you remove the bumper of a Nissan Qashqai. So let's go over it one more time. 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, clip, two clips there, clip along the side of the bumper, 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, two clips, 10mm bolt under here and 10mm bolt on the other side, and the bumper will be removed.